A streak plate is a method used in microbiology to mechanically separate individual cells onto the surface of an agar plate. This technique starts with a dense area of microorganisms, and then a loop is used to scrape the cells across the surface of the plate. It's important to use aseptic techniques when streaking a plate. If you're unsure of these techniques, please refer to the aseptic techniques video to refresh your memory. To begin streaking your plate, you must first disinfect your workspace and prepare your work area. Next, you need to label your plate. It's important to label your media before you begin, and always label the base of the petri dish, never the lid, to enable the correct culture identification. First, flame the loop, allowing at least 10 seconds for the loop to cool, to avoid killing the microbes being cultured. Next, pick up the base of the plate and sample the microorganism. Now pick up the base of the plate you want to inoculate. Create the primary inoculation well. Don't mix too vigorously to avoid creating aerosols. So now streak from the primary inoculation well across the surface of the agar. It's very important that the ring of the wire loop is positioned like a bicycle wheel facing forward. This is the narrow edge. Your streak lines should be straight and parallel and should be about 0.5 centimeters apart. You should aim to have between 4 and 6 initial streak lines. Once your set of streak lines is complete, replace the base of the plate in the lid and turn it clockwise by 90 degrees. It's very important at this point to remember to sterilize your loop. Lift the plate base and complete a second set of streak lines, ensuring that you cross the previous set of lines, and taking care not to cross your loop into the primary well area. Replace the plate, turn 90 degrees, flame your loop, and then streak the third set of lines. Use up remaining uninoculated area on the plate by extending your last streak line into the continuous curving line. Take care not to cross into the primary inoculation well. Finally, flame your loop. Your plate is now ready for incubation, inverted with base uppermost. It's absolutely critical that a streak plate is performed in a biosafety cabinet when handling risk group 2 organisms.